Exodus 1 to Morningstar Prime. We've got a very big package for you.
Captain, welcome home. You have succeeded beyond my expectations. But there's little time for congratulations. Imperative Alana's armada is on its way as we speak. Report.
General, where is Dr. McNeil? I was expecting her to greet us.
She is indisposed at present.
Indisposed, General?
Your report, Captain.
The CSS Astrid is intact and the Singularity Drive seems to be functional. We have acquired Zethane drilling towers for our Viron allies and they are ready to be deployed.
Very well. I have sent you a set of coordinates. You will drop down with all drilling equipment to that location immediately. I will have an escort meet up with you.
That's the abandoned facility at Morning Point. Why such a remote location?
Because it is secure and far away from any Terran forces.
All right, we'll begin the drop right away, General. Angelus out. Sergeant, I want this area secured before the General's escort gets here. I want troops in each of the old watchtowers.
Confirmed. Yes. 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 Yes, we will do. We've captured a victory location. Orders received. We will do. Orders confirmed. Orders received. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Yes. Assaulting. Yes. Yes. Affirmative. Assaulting. Assaulting. As you command. As you command. Affirmative. Orders received. Orders received.
Jacob, what are you doing at Morning Point? Why didn't you contact me when you arrived?
Alice, the General told me you were away.
I've only been in the lab. He could have easily...
Scanners indicate incoming units.
Warhurst escort. Hope they brought some extra thermals. Gotten used to the heat on Nephilim.
Jacob, I just checked today's deployment grid. There shouldn't be any NSA forces anywhere near your location.
Orders received. Assaulting. Assaulting. Affirmative. Orders received. Yes. Affirmative. Orders received. Yes. Yes. We've captured a victory location. As you command. We will do. Advance. Orders confirmed. As you command.
Boss, the NSA units are attacking us.
Enemy down.
Captain Jacob Angelus, you are under arrest for treason against the Northern Star Alliance. Lay down your arms and surrender.
What are you talking about? Under whose authority?
Down.
You will lay down your weapons and come quietly, or face the consequences.
Enemies.
These guys are serious. We better get those drilling rigs to a safe area. The ravine to the northeast looks easy to defend.
Alice, we're under attack by what appears to be NSA forces. See if you can find Warhurst. He isn't responding to my signal, and I want to know what the hell is going on.
You're winning this. Orders received. We will do. New target LZ secure. Orders confirmed. Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere. Yes, Commander. Orders confirmed. Unloading cargo. Orders understood. Dropship awaiting orders. Consider it done. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Yes. Yes.
They're firing at the drilling rigs.
Consider it done. New target appeared. Advance. Attacking. Orders understood. K2, we win this. Enemy dead good. Orders understood. Enemy dead good. K2, we win this. We are under heavy fire. We're under heavy fire. Orders understood. Orders understood. Take evasive maneuvers. Plotting, Victor. Plotting, Victor. New targets. Plotting, Victor. Affirmative. Attacking. We have them now. One less enemy. K2, we win this. And 4. Orders confirmed.
I can't find Warhurst. And I don't know where those forces are coming from. They're not responding to our recall messages.
At base.
Alice, we're in trouble here. There's no way I can set up a proper defense. Can you arrange transports to come get the drilling rigs? I can't get them out in dropships.
I think so. But you have to hold out for a few
Orders
minutes.
understood. On point. Orders understood. Orders received. And 4. Package is delivered. Dropship ready. Orders understood. Plotting, Victor. Plotting, Victor. Yes. We are taking flak. Affirmative. We have them now. We have them now. Advance. Enemy dead good. Yes, with honor. Plotting, Victor. Yes. Orders received. Yes. Heading back to base.
You got it, sir.
Yes. Affirmative. Dropship at base. Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere. As you command. As you command. Orders received. We're losing victory location. Unloading cargo. Orders understood. Dropship. We've lost the victory location. Orders understood. Returning to plan ship. Yes.
Transport Group Echo 9-3 to Captain Angelus. Dr. McNeil sent us to give y'all a taxi ride out of here. You about ready to leave?
You took your time, Echo 9-3. We're glad you're here.
Base.
Damn, that was close. What the hell is going on?
I have no idea, but I've got a feeling this is only the beginning. This is all part of what we've been experiencing since we left.
I still can't find Warhurst. No one at HQ has seen or heard from him since your last contact.
Keep trying. Got to find out what's going on. We can't start evacuating people to the Astrid until we know it's safe.